Do you like filming your videos with multiple cameras? I like doing it, just have different angles, different views to make the video a little more interesting. Are you sick and tired of your audio and your video not lining up like that? Okay, I'm going to show you an easy way to fix this using Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a couple clicks and you can have your video and your audio sync up perfectly. So let's go inside, get on the computer, and I'll show you how to do it.
Okay, so here I am in Premiere Pro 2020, and I've already imported my two clips that I'm going to do my little test video with. And I've got, it's a GoPro 9, GoPro 7 is how I listed these files. The GoPro 9 I have a better microphone on, so I'm going to drop that one onto my timeline first. That's going to be my main video because I want to use the audio out of that one. So then I'm going to go ahead and drop the GoPro 7 right above it. Okay, now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to expand my tracks so you can see these a little bit better, and then I'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit more on these. So right here, and you see when I started my video, I did let me go ahead and play that, and you'll see right here the little spikes, that's my clap.
Okay, this is just a short test video.
So there was the two claps, and you can see they're not lined up, okay? So this is really simple. All you have to do is you just come through here and select all of your tracks, and then you right click up here, and then you come up here to synchronize, and then on synchronize, you have a lot of different ways you can synchronize it, but what I use right here, and it works flawlessly, is you click on audio, and then you have several options. You have for audio track 1, which is the one we want to use, and then audio track 2, and then it has a mix that'll sync them up and kind of mix them together. But I just want to sync to one track, so I want to sync this track to this track. And then you hit OK. Now this does take a little bit of time. It's not terrible, but it does take a little bit of time for this to happen. So when this thing syncs up, you're going to see these two claps and these two claps are going to line up perfectly. Okay, so now they've lined up. If you look at this right here, these two are the same. So let's go ahead and play your video and listen to it. And this has still got both tracks playing.
Okay, this is just a short test video that I'm going to use to show you how to do this, how to line your audio track.
Okay, so now we have them both there. So now the next thing I want to do is now I can come in here. I'm going to go ahead and expand this out just a little bit more so I can find my spot. So now I got these two claps in my video, and I don't really want those to be there. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to get just past my claps. I've already got these selected right here, so I'm going to get my razor tool, and I'm going to cut both clips. So now I've got them all trimmed off. These are still highlighted. If they're not highlighted, you just go ahead and just drag across these to highlight those. And then you right click, and you come up here to ripple delete, and it takes all that out. Now our videos.
Okay, this is just a short test video that I'm going to use.
Our videos are completely synchronized, and we got both clips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to put these two videos on a split screen. That's going to be another video in itself. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll come back and then we can watch the video and see both clips showing at the same time. See, I've got a top clip and a bottom clip there. I look like Hulk there. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to split the screen and we'll come back and take a look at it, and we can see that the video is lined up perfect with both clips of audio. Okay, so now I have a split screen going. This video here is over here to the right. This video here is to the left. And right now I don't need this bottom audio because this audio here on track 1 or audio 1 is the one I want to use. So I want to get rid of the audio for this one, which this video is attached to this audio. So I want to lock this video here and then click on that and then hit the delete button, and that audio goes away. So now I've got this audio which is playing for both videos. And I'm going to go ahead and play through this a little bit and let you see that if you watch my mouth on this, the audio is lined up perfect.
Okay, this is just a short test video that I'm going to use to show you how to do this.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and render this video, and we're going to do my effects like I like doing, just cutting in and out of camera angles and show that with the audio. So I'll play that at the very end of this here.
Okay, this is just a short test video that I'm going to use to show you how to do this, how to line your audio tracks up. And the reason that I did the clap at the first, because if you look at your audio file on Premiere Pro, you will see the two little spikes come up where the clap, you'll see them come up. And that makes it real easy to tell if your audio is lined up perfectly or not. You'll see those two spikes on your bottom track, you'll see those two spikes on your top track, and they'll be lined up perfectly. So that's an easy way of knowing that it did its job and that your audio and video lined up perfectly. I usually use two cameras. I've got better audio on one camera, so I always use that audio. So once I get them all lined up, the audio's lined up, so I know my video's lined up, then I come back out and I delete the audio off of the camera that I don't like the audio as much on. So then I just have one audio track going, but then I can do whatever adjustments I need to do on that audio track to, you know, remove noise or whatever I want to do to it. But the big thing is you get them lined up perfectly. You can remove the audio that you don't want, and then you have both clips of video. Then you can go back and change your angles on video. I'll do another video on the how to switch back and forth between camera views. There's a real easy way of doing that in Adobe Premiere Pro too. So I'll do another video on that. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like, please subscribe, please share my videos. Thank you.